In today's video, we're diving into the brain of every computer, the Central Processing Unit, or CPU. If you've ever wondered what makes your computer tick, this is the video for you. So what exactly is the CPU? Well, the CPU, also called the microchip or microprocessor, is the electronic circuitry inside a computer that carries out the instructions from programs. Think of it as the brain or heart of the computer. Its main task? Performing mathematical calculations using binary numbers, those ones and zeros that computers understand. Let's take a quick trip back in time. The modern CPU journey began in the 1970s during the fourth generation of computers. In 1971, Ted Hoff developed the first ever microprocessor for Intel, revolutionizing the tech world. Today, most CPUs are microprocessors, but they can be even more advanced. Many modern computers use multi-core processors where a single chip has two or more CPUs called cores. Now let's break down the CPU into its two main components, the control unit and the arithmetic logic unit, or ALU. The control unit is like the conductor of an orchestra. It doesn't execute the program instructions itself, but it directs other parts of the system to do so. It sends electrical signals to tell the computer how to operate and ensures smooth communication between the arithmetic logic unit and memory. Some of the key functions of the control unit include activating circuits for input and output devices, directing the system to execute instructions, and aiding in communication between the memory and the ALU. Next up is the arithmetic logic unit, or ALU. This is where the real calculations happen. The ALU is responsible for performing arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction, and logical operations like comparing numbers. It's crucial for all data processing within the CPU. To sum it up, the CPU is the brain of the computer. The control unit manages the flow of instructions, while the arithmetic logic unit performs the calculations and logical operations. Together, they ensure your computer functions smoothly. That's it for today's breakdown of the CPU. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tech content. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about how your computer works, and we'll cover them in future videos. Thanks for watching.